Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngiphethe indaba ke la. Abantu abaningi bade beyibuza ukuthi kahle kahle ubalo umdlali lo ubejima neOrlando Pirates. Ubane lo mdlali lo esingamazi sina as ama-fans. So la nginiphathele indaba ngalomdlali bafethu. Lo mdlali lo apparently i-defender uyi-center back yaseNigeria. Yabo, umkhaya beno-Olisanda. Ukhumbula kahle u-Olisanda naye samsayina le eNigeria umjida isayintwana kakhulu. So kuthiwa lo mdlali lo ufikile kuOrlando Pirates. Currently Orlando Pirates esama-assessa. Yabo isama-assessa ifuna ukuthola kahle ukuthi umdlalo kanjani. Banibona nje indaba kuthiwa umjida una-23 years old. Igama lakhe Uchimzulam Collins noburu wakhe angikwazi ukusho upronounce igama lakhe but Uchimzulam Collins. Yabo, umjida una-23, dual footed distribution, uyakwazi ukudistribute ibhola same as uMbokazi, same as Olisanda. Possesses the vision to break the lines and disguised passes, diagonal switches. Lezi zinto lezi abajwayele ukuzenza kuOrlando Pirates. Towering presence in duel, aerially assertive, progressive, carries from deep. Yabo, uyakwazi ukuthatha ibhola alikhere ayinalo kwi-deep same as uMbokazi. Lento esiyithanda ukuyibona kuma-defenders eOrlando Pirates. Actually analysis le eqhamuka from i-video yama-highlights akhe, indlela adlala ngakhona. Umjida impela uyalazi ibhola. Benimbona le i-defender leli lead bafethu uneleyo presence asiyidingayo. Mwase nje let's say uNda right now uNda nje ubehlushwa ama-injury kanje. Let's say uNda eOrlando Pirates ikhethe umdayisa because iqiniso lo bafethu uNda currently akusiyena umdlali singambeka kuma future plans uOrlando Pirates because umjida singambeka sithi okay uNda uzodlalela uNda kunama games esimbele wona uNda vela limali angawadlali lo ma games. So we need a replacement of Olisanda. I think lo mjida lo mengasafika kuOrlando Pirates asikhombisa lo mdlali lo ngempela esingathembela kuyena. I think angaba i-perfect replacement of Olisanda. I don't think futhi uMbokazi uzohlala ngaleyo ndlela kuOrlando Pirates. I think by next season uMbokazi uzodayisa uOrlando Pirates. So we need new defenders. And le center back le I think ingakwazi ukusiphendulela leso inkinga lesi esibhekene nazo currently because mase silahlele uMbokazi and uNda naye umjida engasilona nje i-defender esingathembela kulo kakhulu because uhlezi limala. Yabona ngangizwa kabi mhlawumbe abanye abantu bangazi ukuthi awuvane why usuba harsh. I'm not being harsh on these players. All I'm saying is that we could not rely on uNda kakhulu. Currently uNda is being integrated into the squad. Umjida agcina the last time he played for Orlando Pirates, I think it was last season when we played the Ipulwane City. Yabo, when we won against Ipulwane City last season, isathanda kuqala season. Yabo, so that was a long time ago. That was a long time ago since the days of Jose Rivero. So we have a new coach right now. He doesn't know how the new coach plays, so he's still being integrated to the new squad, the new formation of Coach Mosha. There are new players laphana khona uSiyema noMbokazi. They play elinye ibhola ehlukile nayo uNda. So naye mela abambe lapho nalapho because uCoach Mosha udinga into entsha from Olisanda. The top ama-trial akhe umjida with the Orlando Pirates azohamba kahle because we need ama-defenders amade kuOrlando Pirates. We recently let go of uMthetho wasamisa kumaZulu. So ukuhambisa kwaMthetho kwashodisa kuma-defenders amade. Ama-defenders esinawo amade currently sinoXoki beno-Olisanda nabo abekho currently ku-squad. Khona uSiyema noMbokazi benosibisi lawo badlali noSesane. Lo ma-defenders way-4 mafishane wonke. Yabo, so we need another towering defender. I think umjida ngabe partner e-right benosibisi ngabe partner e-right noSesane uma uMbokazi benonda bihamba. Angakwazi ukusebenzisana nabo. Yabo, angakwazi. But ke ungangitshela ama-comments, do you think this player if ama-trials akhe hamba kahle, do you think uzosinikeza leyo nto esidinga kuOrlando Pirates? But for me, I think he's a perfect defender. Nigeria, the last time we bought a defender lase Nigeria, that's dlalile kahle Olisanda. So I think umjida angaba a perfect replacement ya Olisanda if Olisanda Orlando Pirates decide to umdayisa. Yabo, I don't know. Angazi. Wangitshela ama-comments, what do you think about this player? Ngizosendela ilink lapho kuma-comments yama-highlights akho umjida uthi udlala kanjani, uyidefendile kanjani.